Bentley Bentayga, one of the most luxurious SUVs, has turned into dark night mode. Even the shiny silver Bentley logo went black? Hey everybody, welcome to MOTORMARVEL. Today we're going to go over the information about the new Bentley Bentayga S Black Edition and my thoughts about this car. Make sure to watch until the end because it's one of the most luxurious SUV in the world right now. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like because it will help me a lot. Recently, Bentley has announced Bentayga's limited edition, the Bentley Bentayga S Black Edition. This limited edition luxurious SUV is an epitome of luxury and exclusivity, boasting a sophisticated design, opulent interior, and impressive performance. It sets a new standard for automotive excellence by seamlessly blending elegance with power to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. About the black color Bentley logo that I mentioned at the beginning, it has a reason for it. The Bentayga S Black Edition introduces the brand's first ever black logo in Bentley's history. Traditionally shiny silver, the logo is elegantly blacked out to match the SUV's sleek exterior, symbolizing Bentley's rich heritage, while ushering in a new era of sophistication and refinement. Externally, the Bentayga S Black Edition features a sleek and stylish design, accentuated by its black-out aesthetic. Gloss black accents adorn the grille, window surrounds, and roof rails, enhancing the SUV's visual appeal and ensuring it stands on the road. Inside the cabin, passengers are greeted by a sumptuous and luxurious environment. Premium materials such as fine leather upholstery and high-quality wood veneers create an atmosphere of opulence and sophistication. The seats adorned with diamond and quilting offers both comfort and style, while the state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps occupants entertained and connected on their journey. Powering the Bentley Bentayga S Black Edition are two formidable engine options. The first is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter Bentley V8 engine, delivering up to 542 horsepower and enabling the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds, with the max speed of 180 miles per hour. Alternatively, buyers can opt for the 3.0-liter V6 engine with an electric motor plug-in hybrid, boasting a combined output of 456 horsepower and achieving a 0 to 60 in the time of 5.1 seconds, with the max speed of 158 miles per hour. In addition to its impressive performance, the Bentayga S Black Edition offers a range of customization options for both interior and exterior. Customers can choose from various stripe colors for the interior, along with matching brake calibers to complement the SUV's overall aesthetic. Each Bentley Bentayga S Black Edition is meticulously handcrafted at Bentley's renowned factory in Crewe, England, where skilled artisans use traditional craftsmanship techniques to ensure the highest quality standards are met. From this hand-stitched leather upholstery to the hand-polished wood veneers, every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. In conclusion, the Bentley Bentayga S Black Edition represents the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the SUV segment. Its sophisticated design, lavish interior, and accelerating performance capabilities set it apart from the competition, offering discerning buyers an unmatched driving experience that is both luxurious and exhilarating. And my thoughts about this car: we've been seeing many custom Bentaygas around the world, but this one just stands out even cooler than the custom ones, and I truly love it. I also didn't know that this was the first time that they made a black color logo, so I was pretty surprised with that. However, the price will go high. The hybrid Bentayga S is starting at $235,025, and the V8 model starting at $243,025. So eventually it will go higher than these prices. So I wonder who will get it. Well, thank you for watching this video all the way. Subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos of car informations and car reviews, and much more. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.